You can print a drawing also from CAD Calcs and GraphicCalc, although for generating reports, it's quite easy to just copy and paste the information onto Microsoft Word or Excel or Outlook. But if you want to print a drawing, it's possible also. You can select the printer that you want connected to CAD Calcs here, and here you can set up your scale of the drawing, and here my printer is selected as 5600, so it knows that the software knows the page width is 8.5 and 11 in height. But if I went to landscape mode, then it will say you'll need 2 pages because I have a fixed format printing, and if I stay in portrait mode, then it'll be 1 page. Here's the scale. I'll explain to you what this means in a second. So this you need to set up. If you're starting a new project, you need to set up the scale, and for printers which can handle larger paper sizes, you can select the ANSI or the ISO standards. So let me explain to you what the concept of the paper means here. There's a command here which is called draw paper. Now the paper is on the worksheet, and this tool here shows the entire paper. So let's say we draw a line here. This is how the line will appear on a scale of 1 to 1. But let's say the line, for example, went beyond the page a little bit. So we have a convenience command here. You can come back and say fit paper to view, and it'll bring the line back in there. But now the scale will not be 1:1 because it has selected a scale that will fit the geometry, but you notice the print scale got changed here. So if everything is inside the paper, you don't need to use the zoom all and fit paper to view. But if it is falling outside the page, you can use fit paper to view, and the software will attempt to fit an entire geometry in the inside the paper. You notice if I go to landscape mode, this thing changes here, because in landscape mode it will need to print 2 pages. So this is where you can select portrait or landscape mode. So it's pretty straightforward, and you set it up once, make sure your scale is what you want, and you shouldn't have any problem. Thank you.